future holds for me.
Where is this girl? Where is Nkem Delem? Where could she be by this time of the night? She's not at her uncle's house. Or does it mean that she has gone to Soshima's house? But she used to come back early whenever she goes to Soshima's house. Nkem Delem, where are you? Nkem Delem! Hey! Hey! So you mean you went to the hospital to donate blood to a woman who is not in any way related to you? What if something happens to you?
Mama, nothing happened to me. And anybody can render help to anyone. The woman needed my help, so I helped her.
You are now a helper. Nkem Delem.
Mama, the thing is that Sochima is a very good friend. And the mother was very sick, and our blood happened to be the same blood group. So I decided to help.
Nkem Delem, this is beyond help. You took a very big risk. Had it been something happened to you, they will come and tell me sorry. And I'll become childless.
Mama, I'm sorry. I understand your fear. But I'm fine. Nothing happened to me. Mama, you see, this life is very small. Yes, I helped them today. But tomorrow, Sochima could become somebody. He could make it in this life and turn around and help us.
Mrs. Helper. Mrs. Helper. Oh, Fagino. I got Bobazigi Helper. Onye enyemaka. Nkem Delem. Nkem Delem. Nekwabum. Aja drokwe.
Sochima. Mama. See that girl Nkem Delem? She's a good child. I mean, look at what she did for me. She actually saved my life. If not for that girl, I would have been dead by now.
Mama, I'm still very, very surprised. I never thought you would go that far. I didn't see that coming, Mama.
She's a good child. A wife material. Anybody married to that girl, will enjoy. Unlike that, your Dema or whatever. She wouldn't have done this kind of thing. Mbano. She's too selfish. Self-centered.
Mama, I understand how you feel, but you can't compare both of them. They are two different people.
I know you're two different.
They're expected to act differently, Mama.
Okay. But even at that, differently but positively. Or for the positive or for the negative. That is the problem. Anyway, I intend to go and see Nkem Delem tomorrow. Let me visit her and say thank you.
Mama, that's the right thing to do. Mama, can we go tomorrow?
You get some jet?
Yeah, I want to follow you. Let's go together.
We'll go together. That is the right thing to do.
Of course. She really, really surprised me. I didn't see that coming. She went too far.
Thank you. You are the reason that I am alive today. You gave me blood when I didn't even have money to buy it. My God will bless you.
Mama, I'm just so happy that you're fine now.
Hi.
Mama, do you know my mother did not know I was going to donate blood? She didn't know. I'm just glad that everything went fine.
Hey, Chukwu now. What would she have said or done to me? if anything had happened to you.
Nothing happens.
God, I thank you. Hi. See how people just come into your life at the right time. God bless you, Mom, and bless your mother too.
Amen.
For bringing up such a good child.
Thank you, Mama. I'm glad you're fine now.
I'm fine, oh. Hey, I'm fine.
Hey.
Mama. Are you going to the market today?
Yes, Mama, today is market now. We forgot.
No, you are not going anywhere.
Why?
So after donating blood to someone else, you still want to go to the market to say, what if you fall on the road?
Mama, is that why you are shouting? Don't worry, nothing is going to happen to me. I am fine, I'm strong. Look at me.
Nkemdelem, I know you are strong, but you are not going anywhere, no? Enugo?
Mama, you gave birth to
Nkemdelem, you are my only child. If anything happens to you, I will not survive it. Please, go inside. Oh, keep these ones. Tomorrow you can continue.
Mama, I don't like this kind of thing. You know I don't like to be idle. I like to be busy. I like to go and hustle.
I know. Don't worry yourself. Tomorrow you can go. I know we don't have much. We don't have enough, but I can manage. We can manage, you know. Please, just keep those things there. Go and keep the vegetables there. Tomorrow you go. Oh? Wait there. Blood bank. Blood donator. You know how to donate blood.
What is it again? And why are you always shouting?
So, you think donating that your infected blood can steal Sochima from me, right? That's what you think. Now listen, no matter what you do, Sochima will never love you, so stay clear of him.
Who gave birth to you? Is it a dog?
Because you're always shouting, barking like a mad dog anytime I see you. What is it? I'm barking like a mad dog?
Yes!
Because I'm fighting for what rightfully belongs to me, right? I'm barking like a mad dog.
You're a fool. You don't have sense. You're very stupid. In fact, it is gum that is in this your brain. You have the guts to show this your ugly face here when you refuse to donate your blood for the mother of the man you claim to love. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
I'm not ashamed of anything. I'm not ashamed of anything. Listen, I think you did not only donate your blood, you donated your senses. Because it's your empty skull. There is nothing inside. But no matter how much you try, Sochima will never leave me for you. So stay clear. Happy Aka.
Sorry for you.
Leave my man alone.
I feel very, very sorry for you. I have said this before and I am going to say it again. I have nothing with Sochima. I have my man, okay? So take your dirty, stinking self out of this place because...
I'm not going anywhere. Do your worst. Yes.
You're not going to go. You're not going to remove your smelling self out of here.
Wait for me, I'm coming. I'm waiting for you.
No, I'm coming.
I'm waiting. You think I'm scared of you? I'm waiting for you. Come, okay? Let me. No, stand! Stand! No! Wait! You break your leg. Yeah. I'm not here. No, you would have waited. Come back! Come back now. Let me break your leg for you. Your tiny legs. Donate blood, you will not donate. Support the man, you will not support him. Oyara! You want me to leave Sochima for you? So, no, I'm going to his house. I can't take it. I can't take it, Ogini. Thank God. Thank God that I just found you, Sochima. I was actually on my way to your house.
What happened?
Help me and warn your girlfriend. Talk to her. Tell her to leave me alone, Ogini. Why is she harassing me?
What did she do?
She came to my house, insulted me, called me all sorts of names, but the one that pained me the most was that she said I gave your mother infected blood.
Hey, how can she say anything like that? She mad?
She's mad. That girl is mad. Talk to her, train her. Tell her to leave me alone. In fact, I have made up my mind. I will stop coming to your house. Yes, I will stop coming to your house.
No, it hasn't got
It has passed like that. It has passed like that. This girl is harassing me. She's insulting me because I'm helping you out.
Listen, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Listen, I'm going to talk to her. She doesn't have any right to say that to you. But please, you care about my mother and I.
Would you rather turn your back on us because of my girlfriend? You wouldn't do that. I know you're a good person. She's doing all these things because she helped me with my assignment when I wanted to write my WAEC exam. But I'm so sorry. I'm going to talk to her. But please, please. I know you're a good person, but just please don't get upset because of her. Please, Biko, let's go. I'm going to talk to her. I promise you. I'll talk to her. I don't know what's wrong with that girl every time. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about it. Sorry. That's how she goes around fighting everybody. I don't know what's wrong with that girl.
You're so handsome. I'm handsome for you.
For me.
Mm.
Only me.
You're so beautiful and very tall.
And that has been established.
I'm just praying for good health, long life, and of course prosperity, so I can take care of you.
Prosperity, definitely.
I'm so happy to have you here again. I've really missed you.
I miss you too.
Sweetheart.
Yes?
What was your cousin sister doing with Sochima?
Nothing is going on between them. Why do you ask?
You mean you are not aware that they are dating?
No, dating. Nkem Dilim told me that she has a fiancé in the city. I don't think there's anything going on between she and Sochima.
Because I saw them yesterday when I was coming back from the farm. In a romantic way. Like lovers.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I'm very sure.
This is unbelievable. Because she told me that they are just friends. Yes.
Well, you never can tell. You know love grows. So it is possible they have developed love for each other.
Really, I don't believe that. I think they are just friends.
Well, let's forget about that. Okay? Let's talk about ourselves.
Peter Akinbia, because we'll be talking about another person.
How are you?
Fine, I missed you.
I missed you too. Oh, baby. Yeah, I can go on.
Oh, please, don't even start. Don't even start. See, I've locked it with padlock and I've thrown the key away after marriage. After marriage, I'll go and get the key and open it. So for now, zip up.
But you got the thing?
Yes.
Just look at my waist now. Let you open them now.
Naughty boyfriend. Go, Joe. Go.
Come
You
now,
started.
let's
Go to where? Don't even start. Don't start. After marriage.
Just hold it. Just hold it. Be careful.
Sorry.
Daluchi, are you seeing what I am seeing?
Wait, so Yeni Nanu is not even a lie. Not a lie, yo. You can imagine. Wait, do you know that everybody in this village, Neyoku, that these people, they go to the farm together, market together, ordinary water, each milli together. Hey! So they now act like married couple. Nobody know.
That means Dima is right all this while.
Let us keep going. This one is just like a dream.
Dreamy.
Dream!
Who dreamy?
Nlo.
Who dreamy?
ready. So where's the water now?
Chuen,
Papa.
why did you have to serve me food with 2 pieces of meat only? Why?
But Papa, this is the number of meat I normally serve you with. And besides, the money you gave me to cook was not much. I even had to manage it.
So, you mean the money I gave to you was not enough? You cannot manage it to give me 3 pieces of meat, is that all?
Kwa, Papa. 3 pieces of meat. Papa, do you mean that 2 pieces of meat is not enough for you to eat?
See why I am saying 2 of you. There is need for you to go out there and get married so that you can begin to assume that position of a wife and mother in your home.
Papa, we are not married yet. We are still single.
So, is this how you will misuse your husband's money in future and give him 2 pieces of meat? When he gives you money to go to the market?
Papa, Biko, please. I don't have strength to start arguing this afternoon. Because I know you want to start arguments now. Please eat your food. That's all we have in the kitchen.
Me arguing in my own house. Ha! These children. I am arguing in my own house now. Don't worry. I shall soon sell one of you there to these rich Alaji boys. Who will take good care of me. Keep on sitting in my house and eating fat. All in the name of we are still small girls. Nonsense.
Too tasty.
Mama,
Oh,
you're done with your food.
hey, you're asking. I finished everything now.
Hey, Mama, did you like it?
I loved it. The food did too tasty. See now, I cleared the whole plate. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mama.
God bless you.
No. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Hey, you've done enough already, Biko.
Mama, don't worry. I'm not complaining. I'm here to help you. Anything at all.
I need you to rest.
Mama, I need to do something for you. Do you need me to sweep your room, wash your dirty clothes, anything?
What dirty clothes? I have number 1. I have some dirty clothes.
Say no more. Where can I find these dirty clothes?
Inside my room, on the bed. I tied the dirty clothes with one wrapper.
Okay, I'll go and get them. I'll wash them. Mama, just relax here. I've put water for you to bake on fire. As soon as it's ready, I'll mix it and come and call you. Just relax and get well for us.
Hi!
Oh, Mama, I'm coming.
Hi! Nkem delim. Yeah, delim. Hey! I want to go there, Mefo. I have what I want to do. I am Yagini, a assembly gauge, waru, aswa, azaza, Kefaya Budia. Nkabu retirement benefits now. I have an uncle and so. Hey! Oh, wow.
I chose to do good. No one can stop me. I chose to be a helper. Cause I do not know what future holds for me.
You tell me I'm not.
Mama, no, I'm fine. No? I remember your bathing water is getting cold.
If that's one, let me finish the granuts first. Otoka. Okwaginyam. My name has become a bit atwe.
I'll take it easy. You know you have cough.
Okay.
Mama. Easy.
I'm sorry. I wanted to sing for you while you are washing. Pianulo nuanyo, na pianulo nuanyo. Pianulo nuanyo, na pianulo nuanyo. Onwere mgbe ike groundnut ga-eme.
I chose to do good. No one can stop me. I chose to be a helper. 'cause I do not know.
Nkem Delem. Mama. Is it not your phone that has been ringing since?
Mama, I heard it. It's Chinedu calling now.
Pick his call.
Mama, don't worry. I'm busy. I'll call him back later. Oh, I need to go and finish up so that I hurry to the market. My customers will start waiting for me. Don't worry, I'll call you.
Nkem Delem, when did you start avoiding Chinedu's call? Hey! Nkem Delem has really changed though. I don't understand this girl anymore. Ogene Buzinka. Huh? Hey! Okay.
I've been calling you all day. Why aren't you picking my calls?
I'm sorry, I forgot my phone at home and I went to the market to sell vegetables earlier.
Okay, very soon you will stop this vegetable business. I'm coming back soon and I will open a new business for you.
When are you coming back?
This December. I can't wait to see my beautiful damsel once again. I miss you so much. Why are you silent? Don't you miss me?
Yes, of course I miss you. I mean, it's been so long. How is business?
Oh, business is doing fine. I want you to stop this vegetable business. I'll be sending you some money for your upkeeping and also take care of Mama.
I thought you said we would talk about it when you come back. I don't like this idea of stopping my business.
I know, but it's for now. I will take care of you.
Please, I don't like this. When you come back.
You sound weird. Hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. I am just tired, okay? Let's talk some other time.
Okay, I'll call you back tomorrow morning. Good night. I love you.
Good night.
Stop now, stop. Come on, darling. You know how much I love you.
Are you sure? Are you very, 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 very sure that you love me?
Why are you asking me this kind of question? As if you don't know how much I love you.
I know you love me. I know that your love for me is 1 in a million. I was just teasing you.
Alright, darling.
Yes, dear.
I'm planning on coming to meet your people. What is it? What is it?
What did you say?
I want to come and marry you.
Really?
Yes.
Please, you have to give me some time, okay? Please.
Baby, you know it's over 3 years now. You and I have been dating. I think it's high time we got married, please.
Okay, I will talk to my father about it.
You mean you will?
I'll talk to my father.
Your daddy will tell you when I will come with my people.
I'll talk to him.
Fine. I will wait, okay? But please don't keep me waiting for a long time.
No, I will not.
You know I'm eager to get married to you.
I'll try my best.
Baby, I know I don't have much, but I will take care of you with the little I have, okay? I love you so much.
I love you too.
I love you. Can't wait to be with you.
I can't wait to.
You are the best.
I'll talk to my father and I'll get back to you, okay?
Please do.
Chi?
Yes?
You mean Nemeka proposed to you?
Yes.
Wait, are you serious?
Ha. Have I ever made any joke before to you? I'm very serious. I'm not joking about it. He proposed.
Then accept him.
You know I can't. Why can't you? I thought you love him. I love him, but Papa, of course. You know the way Papa behaves when we are not bringing a rich husband. Papa wants someone that will come with a car, will have a house. You know Papa will not accept.
What is wrong with you? What do you mean? You mean you want to throw the man that loves you wholeheartedly because of Papa? You want to throw him away? You love him, he loves you, you know he treats you good. You want to just let go of him because of Papa? See, if I were you, I would tell him to bring his people to come and pay my bride price. Just forget Papa, forget whatever he says, his complaint and all that.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Tell him to bring his people and pay your bride price. After all, is it Papa that will live with him? If I were you, that is what I would do. I don't care what Papa says. It's true. You've been around and refuse to see me.
I don't understand.
Sochima, you don't take my calls. You don't call back. You don't check up on me to know if I'm doing fine.
I've been busy with work.
Oh, really? You've been busy with Nkendelim. You think I don't know? The news is everywhere in the village. People get to see you go around, you know, go around the village, play love, do everything. So tell me, if there's a reason why you've been avoiding me.
I've not been avoiding you. I have not been avoiding you. Rather, you've been the one avoiding my mother. Yes.
So, because she comes here, sweep the compound, wash clothes for your mother, cook for her, she suddenly becomes a better woman than I am.
Oh yes, she's far better than you. She's far better than you are. You have said it all. She's a wife material. She's every man's dream. But you? No. You love money more than your life.
So it's true. Sochima, so it's true that you're dumping me for that girl. After all we've been through together.
It is your fault.
Sochima, we started from secondary school. I did your assignments for you. During our WAEC, I sat in the exam hall. I wrote for you and I wrote for myself. Now you want to dump me for her?
Did you not hear me? I said it is your fault. It is your fault. You changed. You become someone else. You became something different. You know my mother is sick. And when I ask you to take care of her, you begin to ask me for money. So you want me to pay you before you take care of my mother? There's something wrong with you.
It's alright. I can see that your mind is made up. It's okay.
Bye-bye. Mom, beg me. Please go. You love money more than your life.
Sochima,
Mama.
What I am about to tell you, but in reality.
What is it now?
You see that girl they call Nkendelim? Nwa be wife material. Anybody married to that girl, your life is made. She is such a natural, she is good. And she really, really loves you. Oh, my deep love, genuine love for you, pure love for you. And will do anything for you. Unlike that, they get this, whatever she is. That one, all she wants is money, money, money. And that's money you do not have. So if you just hook on to that one, if all you're May, you won't even like it. But you see in Kemdelim, hey, if you marry that girl, you're a made man.
Mama, what makes you think she loves me?
I like that question. That Let me give you the answer. I am an old woman. I see very, very far. And I'm a fool. You know, when she comes here to feed me or bring food for me, hey, at the mention of your name, her reactions, the way she will smile, she starts glowing, everything about her changes. Nam, and I see it in her eyes. That girl is in love with you. Don't lose her. Do not lose her. I'm telling you.
Mama, you're saying I should marry her?
You hit the nail on the head, Moголodiocha. That's exactly what I want you to do. If you marry that girl, Mom, you have nothing to worry about. She will take care of you. Besides, the sacrifice she made for this family, not even that demon can make it. Nobody else, not in this day and century, is only in Kemdelen because she genuinely loves you.
It's okay, Mama. I'll talk to you.
Some. That's why I always talk about you. Any child that listens to his mother, will go very far. If you go get one, he go far. Especially with the Kemdelen beside you. Una gaba. Hey, what a wonderful move. Hey.
Nekefan, how are you?
I'm fine, no, my sister.
You're fine.
It's not good though. Were you portraying your own sister? Both of you just forgot about me. Well, since you forgot about me, I decided to come and see you.
Don't say that now. How can you say that we forgot about you? Is it not Papa and his wahala? Sometimes I feel so tired to leave this compound. If you leave this compound now, he will conclude, you went to see one village boy. A village boy that cannot feed himself. A village boy that has no parental care. Parental. Uncle, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
What about your mom?
She's fine, sir.
Good. You see, I'm going out now. And you, as I'm going out, make sure you don't invite those your useless boys into this house. Because if you do, when I come back, you know I will know. And you know what that means. Are you hearing me?
Yes, Papa.
It's not going to be fine at all.
Oh,
Okay.
Uncle. Bye-bye.
Okay, my dear.
Papa, bye-bye, you.
This my uncle will never change. Hi.
Don't know my father. Hey. Forget about Papa. Okay, what is this I'm hearing about you and Sochima? That you both are dating?
Dating what? Me. And they don't believe everything you hear. It's not true. Sochima and I are just friends.
You're just friends. Are you sure? Remember that Nedu is coming this December to pay your bride price.
You just sounded like Mama. How is it even possible that I will forget that my own fiancé is coming to pay my bride price this December? As in how?
Okay.
I would forget about Nedu for Sochima that is suffering like me in the village. We could leave that in.
The news is flying everywhere. Well, you guys are just friends, yes, but what else will the villagers see?
Let them see. As in not their eyes they are using to see. Anything they want to see, they should see. Please. It's not true.
I believe you.
Go in and get me cold malt. Very cold. Let me just relax very.
You have come now. Hey, but I missed you. Thank God you even came to see me. I was just missing you. You know, to leave this house is a problem.
Where is Chisom? I've not seen her.
There's this new work Chisom started though. She started new, at least it's giving her small money. Her own is even better safe. At least she has reasons to leave the house. Me, I don't have. So she went to work.
Hey, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Mas. Good, sir.
Good. Who are you and what do you want?
My name is Nemeka from Umuma village. I'm here to see Chimi.
You are here to see Chimi?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you are one of those riffraffs who are about deceiving my daughters all in the name of love, is that not?
I don't understand you, Mazi. What wrong have I done?
You're asking me questions. Now, let me tell you, if you do not leave my compound this moment with your filthy self, by the time I go in there and come out, you are a dead man. Do I make myself? Take this your filthy legs and get out of my compound before I paralyze you. Maybe you think I was joking. By the time I finish dealing with you, those who know you will not be able to recognize you again. Look at him. Look at the one who calls himself a man. Look at what he's even putting on like as a trouser. Is that trouser even short? He cannot even buy small slippers. Imagine. Look at the carton he's using as slippers. Then that kind of non-entity of a boy wants to come and marry my daughter or come and see my daughter. Who knows what you people are thinking? Let it not be what I'm thinking anyway. Because if somebody like you come to me to say you want to have my daughter's hand in marriage, I'll finish your life. Nonsense. Imagine the kind of man that visits my house because of you. Yeah? Fine boy, no money.
Papa, I don't understand you. You are the one that keeps saying you want us to get married, you want us to get married. Now a suitor has come to ask for my hand in marriage, you're chasing him away.
When I asked your sister to get married to Chuka the other time, did she accept him?
Papa, no now. Papa, you know moi. Chuku Somaga can never and will never marry anyhow man. I'm a menu, Papa.
You now call Chuka anyhow man. Chuka and that useless Jonathan, whom both of you loiter the village anyhow. Who is better off?
Papa, you cannot find a husband for me. Papa, you're not the one to find a husband for me. I am beautiful, presentable, and smart enough to find my own husband. Papa, no now. You're not the one to find a husband for me.
Papa, please, I don't like what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing. Nnemeka is the right man for me. I love him and I'm going to marry him. He has already proposed to me. So it's left for you to accept and let's get this marriage done.
And who will receive the bride price? Moi. You had better go for free. You know, it's better for you. Go for free. Because me, I cannot take bride price from that boy. But when I'm still alive, if you dare get married to that boy, I will destroy you. Oh yes, I will. Look, let me tell you something. When a father is taking his time to see how he can make your life better, and you decide to take the other side, it pains and it hurts. I am trying my best for you children. But why are you giving me this pain? Nonsense.
I told you that Papa will not accept. I told you. You're the one that told me that I should tell him. Now he's keen against it. How will I not get married without my father's consent?
What is wrong with you? Just pack and go to his house. When you give birth to 1, 2 kids, Papa will be the one begging you to call him to bring bride price. He'll be begging you for him to come and pay your bride price.
I must marry Nnemeka. Nnemeka, I love Nnemeka. I must marry him.
Please have come over.
You know I've not set eyes on you for a long time. After the day I told you about getting married to you. So, I was worried.
I can't marry you. I will not marry you.
What? Why?
Oh babe, you know I love you so much. But I can't marry you because my father has to give his consent. So we just have to go our separate ways. Please.
Just because I don't have money, right? Huh?
It's not about money. You know I love you so much. You know my heart belongs to you.
Enough! Your father wants you girls to get married to a rich husband, right? Forgetting that something may turn up for good tomorrow. My business might grow. And I will leave this village to the city. I promise you.
Please, I have to go now.
You are living like that, right?
Sochima, this one you called me to come out this early. I hope there is no problem.
I'm sorry to disturb you.
Hope it has nothing to do with Mama.
No. It's far from that.
Okay.
Okay. I have to tell you something important.
What is it?
I have come to love you. Yes, I'm in love with you. And I want you to marry me. I want you to be my wife. I don't think I can spend my life with another woman.
Sochima, what are you even saying? We are not dating, we are just friends.
I know we're just friends, but I want our friendship to become something bigger. I want us to get married. I want you to become the mother of my children. Listen, my mother wants you to be her daughter-in-law. And like I said, I don't think I can spend my life with another woman.
You're serious?
I'm very serious.
But Sochima, you know I have a fiancé. What will I tell him when he comes back?
I know you have a fiancé, but what makes you think he's going to come back? What makes you think he's not with another woman? I love you, Kim, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Please say yes. Don't say no.
I do not want to know what they say. I just to follow what my heart tells me, 'cause I know it is a direction from the Lord.
I think I am falling for him. Yes, he doesn't have money, but he's caring and gentle. I am sure he will make it tomorrow in life. Sochima, my love, I love him. I didn't show it to him because I was only pretending. Mama.
Are you okay?
Yes.
You are not. You are lost.
No. Mama, I just have a lot on my mind. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama. Mama, you're going out?
Yes, I want to go for the women's meeting. Please take care of the house.
Of course.
I chose to do good. No one can stop me. I chose to be a helper, 'cause I do not know what future holds for me. Whichever way, and come what may, I know I won't regret anything. It doesn't matter what they say.
Papa, you called me. Yes. Chisom, you see, God has answered our prayers.
Papa, what's the good news?
There is this man, Chifoyoku, who is coming for your hand in marriage. He's based in Abuja.
Papa, no. Papa, no now. I mean, I don't even know this man. I've not met him before. Are you already talking about marriage?
See, he knows you. He has seen you before and he likes you. He's based in Abuja with his wife and 2 kids.
Wife and... Papa, you mean he's married? Of course. And you want me to marry him? Why, Papa? Papa, no. Papa, Zukwane Ike, no.
You see, Chisom, Onyeko is married with 2 daughters but no son.
Papa, you lie. I can never marry that man. I mean, Papa, whatever arrangement you have with him, just go ahead and cancel it because it will never work.
Calm down, Chisom. The man has no son and has decided to marry a second wife. Look, let me tell you, Chisom, this is somebody who is very wealthy and will take good care of you. He has money. Huh? That is the same way I found Chuka for you and you rejected him.
Which Chuka? Papa, have you ever found a good suitor for me?
Oh, you have forgotten already. Okay, don't bother. Let me remind you. I am sending you out of this house. Enough is enough.
Papa, I will never get married to him. How do you expect me to get married to that riffraff? That thing, that inflatable man because of money. Papa, I will not. I will never.
That man you are calling that thing is a billionaire. That your so-called useless boyfriend in the village cannot afford what that man has in the next 10 years.
Papa, are you God? Papa, you are not God. H.D.M. And he can give birth to something positive for Jonathan. You are not God, Papa. You are not God.
Look at who he's talking. This is a man that if you get married to him, he's ready to do anything for the woman. That is ready to accept him as a husband.
I will never accept him. I'm okay with the way I am. I'm okay with Jonathan. I don't want anybody else. Not even to talk of that man. I will not marry him.
You are talking.
I'm not because I don't come in this village. But you can't frustrate me because of the man. I will not marry him.
Nonsense, useless thing. I'm talking, you are talking. You will see the end is come for you. Hope you have remembered now.
Papa, that one. That Ifulefu man. That ugly man. But how do you even expect me to marry that kind of man? No. If I marry that one, how will my future children look like? Papa, no now.
So let me tell you, if you reject this one, I will chase you out of my house.
Papa, no problem, because you will chase me out of this house. I will never marry him. Papa, how do you even expect me to marry a man with wife and 2 kids when there are lots of single men out there? You keep rejecting them because you feel they don't have enough money to meet up with your demands. Papa, no problem. I will leave because I will never marry them. I will never marry any of them. I will leave because I will never marry them.
Chisom, you dare walk out of me. Don't worry, no problem. We shall see. We will know who between 2 of us owns each other.
Hey, Snedunwam.
Mama.
So this is you. Look at you.
Yeah.
Eh? No, Onwam.
Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome. Chai, how is business?
No, business is moving on fine, we thank God. God has done it for us.
I can see that. You're looking so good.
Thank you, Ma. Mama, where is my baby, Nkemdelim, my love? Where is she?
Nkemdelim just stepped out a few minutes ago. Oh. She will soon come back.
Oh, okay.
She will come back.
All right, no problem. I will come back to check up on her later.
Thank you, it's all right.
You're looking good, Mama. Don't worry, I got some stuff for you, and when I come back, then I'll bring them.
Okay. Hi. Thank you very much.
All right, sir.
Oh, now one. Oh, Badanya. Hey. So finally he is back. Chai. Nkemdelim will be so happy to see him. Chai.
Mama, did you say he came here today?
He came here ranting and shouting. On our back. He said you should leave Nkemdelim alone.
Because I don't have money. Yes, because I don't have money. That's the only reason why he will do that.
Now, cancel this marriage, if you ask me. Forget it now, but when you have a wedding.
Mama, cancel the marriage. Why?
Listen, if you don't have the money, then you leave it. I mean, if one member of the family doesn't get on with you, then you should cancel it. No, so can the wedding now because I couldn't meet it a week ago.
But Mama, he's the only one making noise. Her family accepted me already.
There's something you should know about marriage. Marriage is no child's play. I mean, look at you. The minute you start having problems with someone in the family because you don't have money, up a serious problem. So I would suggest that you just go make money first before you start thinking of settling down.
Mama, I love him.